symptoms of spiritual awakening?
Oh, that is a beautiful thing. Spiritual awakening, there are certain stages of spiritual awakening also. When it starts happening, you start feeling that you are different than others. You do not fit yourself in this world. You are able to experience something which cannot be explained to your fellow human being. You close your eyes, maybe you are looking something, you are seeing something. You get connected to some beings in surroundings, in the space, and you are able to see things even in the trees, something which is unique and which others will not be able to understand. So when you try to explain it to your parents, your brother, your sister, your surroundings, they think that you are crazy. So the first symptom of spiritually awakening is that you start becoming crazy in the other's eyes. And what happens? You don't like to talk. You start becoming to yourself. Unless it is necessary, you don't talk. Unless it is necessary, you try to avoid things. If those things starts happening and you feel connected, your intuitions starts becoming all right. You start getting the informations from the nature before they are about to happen in your surrounding. So if all these things starts happening, please know that your soul is intending to awaken. And then probably you need someone whose soul has already awakened. You need at this stage a guru who can guide you so that you don't look crazy and you be able to fit with the universe, and you can also continue your journey towards your spiritual development, towards your spiritual awakening. I hope that answers